Need to remove your video background in seconds. Even if you don't have a green screen, let AI do the magic for you. You don't have time to learn something new. This is going to be so good. In this video, we'll look at 3 tools to magically remove your video background in seconds. Oh my gosh, that took forever. And do you see the difference between these 2 shots? So we're here on the website. Let's click on Start Now. The process is simple. Just upload your video, then click Skip Cropping. Click the Place Here checkbox, drag the generation frame to either side, and select a background. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, you can simply drag and drop your clip to start the process. Side by side, we'll remove the background from the same clip in each tool. And to keep things fair, I'll add a stopwatch overlay to see which tool is the fastest. Wow, they're almost neck and neck. And after 1 minute, we have our results. It seems that Unscreen is the fastest tool, but what about the quality? Personally, I think Runway ML has the best results, but it really comes down to personal preference. Now you'll see a preview of the background removal. Let's click on the blue tick, and in a few seconds, we have our result. This is perfect for short-form creators who need to quickly edit videos on the go. Once done, click Generate, and within a few seconds, we have our video with a new background. Of course, you can also upload a custom background image, and add an AI-generated image to create a video like this. This could be useful for product reviews or tutorials. Or maybe you want to add an animated background to your social media reels. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fast AI editing hacks. Peace. With AI, it's easier than ever to create professional-looking videos without spending hours editing. And if you don't like the default generation frame, you can always adjust it later. Finally, click Export Video, and there you have it. Our video is ready. Let's check out the quality. Looks great. Let's watch it again. There's nothing in the settings to change, but you can play around with these options if you like. This was super easy and fast. As you can see, the video was exported in MP4 format, and it only took about 6 seconds per frame. However, you need to be aware that you get only 1 video per month, but they have a paid plan which allows you to generate up to 10 videos per month for just $10. The one on the right has this flickering effect because I didn't take the time to match the camera movement. I could try to fix it by rotoscoping around this object. Great! Now we can move on to the next layer, but this will still take a few hours. We'll compare the results and look at some cool use cases along the way. Let me show you how to remove video backgrounds with 3 different AI tools. First, we'll start with a popular tool, but before that, let me show you the hard way to remove a background, manually, and now let's see how easy it is to remove a background automatically. Runway ML is an entire AI editing suite, but today we'll focus on the background remover. Let's import the same video we edited earlier. Here we are in the editor. Let's click on Remove Background, and now we can choose the area we want to keep. In this case, it's the person in the center. Let's click on the blue mark Complete. Now we can add any image or video as a background. For this example, I'll use a plain white background. And just like that, we have our final result. Let's check it out. This tool also offers the ability to generate custom backgrounds, but that's a feature that's currently in beta. Anyway, let's take a look at the results. This looks great. If you're a content creator, you'll love how the results appear directly in the timeline. From there, you can easily add multiple layers and continue editing. The second tool we'll look at is another popular option. If you're looking for an easy-to-use mobile app, check out CapCut AI tool. Now that we've looked at each tool individually, let's see how they stack up against each other in a speed challenge. There are endless use cases for this. For example, you could remove your background. So now it's your turn. Which tool would you use? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.